Manpreet. I'm from the Knowledge Catch and I'm gonna teach you 20 adjectives to describe feelings. So, what are the adjectives? Adjectives are those words which describe the quality of noun. You know noun, name of place, name of thing, name of object, name of like feelings. Okay, so what is noun? Any name. What is pronoun? Used in place of noun. For example, he is a good boy. So we can say Ram is a good boy. In place of Ram, we can use he is a good boy. So what kind of boy Ram is? Good. Okay. So telling the quality of Ram, that is adjective. Good is telling the quality of the word. Good is a adjective because it is telling the quality of the word noun. So today we will be learning 20 adjectives. For example, 2 or 3 more example I would like to tell. Like she's a generous girl. She's an adorable girl. He's a studious boy. So these all things are telling the words like studious, the words like adorable. These all are telling the quality of that boy. So let me tell you a story of a girl, Anantara. She was a princess and one day she hid her identity and went to a nearby village on her carriage. And she was very excited to meet the people of that village. So she was very excited. So through that story we got one adjective, very excited. So she was very excited to meet the people of that village. But when she went closer to that village, she was surprised to see the vast condition of the people. She was very surprised. And she was interested to talk to those people, to understand their problem. She was very interested. But when she talked to them, she thought they all are wearing torn clothes. So how did they manage to eat food? So she was very confused. Very C-O-N-F-U-S-E-D, confused. But when she talked with few people of that village, so she told them that she would send some help to all the people of the village. Maybe they are women, children or men. So at last she was very happy that she could help them, and she made promises that surely she will help. So she was very happy. We can use the word very happy. So the main motive of this video is to just level up our English. We are always using these words like very excited, very surprised, very interested, very confused, very happy. So can we use some different word? Always very, 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 very. Can we replace it with some better words? Yeah, of course. So the words are very excited. When you're very excited, you can use the word thrilled. I was thrilled to hear the news that I was selected or I was the nominee of the award show. Okay, so you can use the word thrilled. The word is thrilled. T-H-R-I-L-L-E-D. Thrilled. And very surprised. Ooh, what a lovely place. Ooh, what a nice. When you get surprises from other, means like it may be a birthday surprise or somebody came back home suddenly. So these all things. So instead of surprise, you can use the word astonished. Astonished, you can say it, okay? Very interested. I am very interested to talk to my teachers of school. So, or you can say I'm very interested to talk to the author of the book secret. So you can use the word fascinating. 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 So the word is fascinating. Fascinating. Okay. So very confused. When you're very confused while solving maths queries or questions, you can use the word puzzled. Puzzle. Puzzled. And when you're very happy, I'm very happy to announce the news. Okay, you can use the word delighted. Delighted. D-E-D-L-I-G-S. Delighted. Okay, D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D. So let's once again revise the words. Very excited means very thrilled, very surprised. You can use the word. Another word for surprise you can use is astonished. And another word for interested you can use fascinating. And for confused you can use puzzled. And for happiness, I'm very happy today. So you can use the word delighted. I'm delighted to visit the country Paris. Okay. So now there's another story waiting for you all. So this time the story is of the boy Eddie. So Eddie, along with his friends, went to forest. Eddie went to forest, but he was not willing to go there. So he was very sad. When Eddie was not willing to go there, but their friends forced him. But his friends forced him to go to that jungle. So he was a little bit angry. So you can say very angry. Very angry. And when he went through the jungle, he was very scared. Of what? Wild animals. He was very scared. He was very scared, but when he came back home, he was very tired. He was very tired because he didn't enjoy there. It was a boring trip for him, so it was a bad experience. So that trip was very bad. Very bad. So when you come in contact with these words while you're communicating with another person, like you say, I'm very sad today, I don't want to go somewhere. Instead of saying I'm very sad, you can use some different word. Instead of bad, some different. Tired, scared, angry. I'm very sad. You can use the word awful. Angry. Very sad, miserable. Very angry, furious. 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 Okay? Very scared, terrified. Very scared, terrified. Terrified. Terrified, okay? Terrified. Repeat after me. Terrified. And very tired. Exhausted. Wait a second. Exhausted. So instead of using these words again and again, these boring words like very sad, very bad, you can use some different words, okay? So very tired, exhausted. Very bad is terrible. Terrible. Terrible.
T-E-R-R-I-B-L-E. All right. So very happy. There are many words for happy, but we will use elated, over the moon. Okay. Over the moon, elated, static. There are many more. So once again, we will revise these all adjectives and to describe the feelings. So if anybody is very sad, instead of saying sad, you can say disappointed, you can say depressed, you can say like a miserable condition, awful condition. Okay. Very angry, furious, frustrated, very scared, terrified. Okay. Terrified, very tired, exhausted, very bad, terrible, very happy, elated, ecstatic, over the moon. So many are there. Once again, we will revise all those things in one another video. Till then, bye-bye. I hope you liked the video and thank you so much. And if you like the videos, please hit the like button and do subscribe the channel at the Knowledge Catch, okay? And thank you so much. Bye-bye.